Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Our today's topic is based on some important banking words. So first we'll understand words, and in next video we will see some phrases, some sentences. Bank. So again in Gujarati also we usually say bank only. So this understand one thing, couple of words which we are speaking in Gujarati, that will be Gujarati word. But if some words which we are only speaking in English, we'll keep it. I will advise you that as well. For account again we say khatu. Okay, for account we say khatu. Yes, and if you want to say account directly, that will be also work. Savings account. Savings account. Now meaning of savings in Gujarati we say bachat. We say bachat. Okay, and again for account we say khatu. For account again we say khatu, which means savings account in Gujarati we say bachat khatu. Bachat khatu. Next one is current account. For current account in Gujarati we say chalu khatu. Chalu khatu. Current in Gujarati we say chalu. Okay, for current in Gujarati we say chalu. Okay, chalu. And again for account in Gujarati we say khatu. Okay, for current account in Gujarati we say chalu khatu. Balance. For balance in Gujarati we say silak. Silak. Okay, silak. And you can say balance also. So like mostly people here in Gujarati, couple of words as I said, they are using English words only. But for your understanding, I am giving you those words which are important and useful. For balance we say silak. Okay, silak. Silak. Money we say paisa. Okay, in Gujarati. Okay, like ketla paisa, how much money. So this is how we speak. For money we say paisa. Cash we use rokda paisa or rokda rupiah. Rokda rupiah. For cash we say rokda. For cash we say rokda. For example, if I want to say I want to withdraw cash in Gujarati, I will say મને રોકડા ઉપાડવા છે. Okay, let me show you. For example, in Gujarati I want to say I want to withdraw cash. Okay, I want to withdraw cash in Gujarati I will say મને રોકડા ઉપાડવા છે. Okay, withdrawal means upadva. Withdrawal means upadva. So this is how you can speak. Deposit in Gujarati we say jama. Deposit in Gujarati we say jama. So for example, if you remember, we have deposit slip, withdrawal slip. So that time you can say jama slip. Okay, upadvani slip. That we will cover in sentence time. But for now, just to understand the word deposit in Gujarati we say jama. For deposit we say jama. Then withdraw we say upadvu. Okay, withdraw we say upadvu. Upadvu. Okay, the next one is transfer. Transfer, again we say transfer only. Okay, like we can say transfer transfer karvu, like that. Transaction, we say transaction only, but you can say vyavhar. Okay, no one is using vyavhar in bank when we are going bank, but the right word is vyavhar. Vyavhar. Okay, for transaction you can say vyavhar, and for transfer you can simply say transfer karvu. Account number, again you can say account number, but as you know, the meaning of account in Gujarati, what we say? Yes, khatu. So here you can say khata number. Here you can say khata number. For account number you can say khata number. Okay, yes, account number we are still using khata number or khatu word, so that I want to say you. Passbook, again we say passbook only. Check, again we say check only. Checkbook, same, checkbook. ATM card will remains ATM card only. Debit card, again same for credit card. PIN, OTP, so these words I am skipping, but just to give you understanding which words we are still keeping in English and which we are speaking in Gujarati. Remember, banking sector is mostly uh, most of the words are all of course in Gujarati only, sorry, English only, but couple of words which still we are speaking in Gujarati purely when we are going bank. That what I am giving you understanding. OTP, again OTP only, form only. For signature, yes, we say sahi. So for example, if I want to say please do signature here, so in Gujarati I will say ahiya sahi karo. Ahiya sahi karo. Okay, please do signature here. Okay, now mostly in the bank you have to use word please. So for please, I'm telling you a Gujarati word which you already know, but still, meherbani karine. So this you just save somewhere. If you want to use please with any sentence, simply add meherbani karine. For example, this sentence only, for please we say meherbani karine ahiya sahi karo. Here means ahiya in Gujarati. For here in Gujarati we say ahiya, and signature we say sahi, and for do you say karo. Ahiya sahi karo. Ahiya sahi karo. Then next one is ID proof. You can say puravo. Okay, puravo, ઓળખાણનો પુરાવો. That puravo word also will work, but you can simply use ID proof also, that will work. But if you want to use real word, you can say puravo. Okay, puravo. Address proof, સરનામાનો પુરાવો. Now for address in Gujarati we say sarnamu. For address in Gujarati we say sarnamu. Okay, and again for proof we say puravo. So the complete will be સરનામાનો પુરાવો. Okay, સરનામાનો પુરાવો. Document, again will be documents only, but sometimes some peoples when they came for village or sometimes, then you can use કાગળ. You can say જરૂરી કાગળ લેતા આવો. Okay, let me tell you. If you want to say bring important papers or document, how you can say જરૂરી કાગળ. Okay, usually they for documents or paper in Gujarati they use કાગળ. Okay, not કાગળ, કાગળ. Okay, કાગળ. કાગળ. Bring important papers. જરૂરી કાગળ or દસ્તાવેજ you can say. કાગળ word will work. જરૂરી કાગળ લેતા આવો. You know, for bring in Gujarati we say લેતા આવો. Bring in Gujarati we say લેતા આવો. KYC will be KYC only. Loan will be loan. Yes. For interest in Gujarati you say વ્યાજ. For interest in Gujarati we say વ્યાજ. વ્યાજ. Okay, વ્યાજ. 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 EMI will be EMI only. For installment we say હપ્તો. For installment we say હપ્તો. Okay, if someone asks or if you want to say, there will be 3 installment. So in Gujarati you can say 3 હપ્તા રહેશે. You know, I don't know, but I'm trying to say 3 હપ્તા રહેશે. For this particular XYZ scheme there will be 3 installment. Okay, or you can say you have to pay in 3 install. So the sentence will be તમારે 3 હપ્તા પે કરવાના or ચૂકવવાના રહેશે. Okay, it means you have to pay in 3 installment. ચૂકવવાના means to pay. Okay, this is banking words. ચૂકવવાના રહેશે. Now understand, for bank particularly there will be everyone is respectful person. That's why for you in bank particularly we will use તમારે or તમે. For you, otherwise you know you can use tu as well, but that will be informally. That's why we will use તમારે or તમે. Even there will be any person in front of you, because this is bank sector, we obviously have to give respect to anyone. That's why in bank, especially for you, we will use તમારે, તમે, like that. For branch we say branch or શાખા. Yes, we are still using શાખા word here in Gujarati, so that's why for branch in Gujarati you can say શાખા. Okay, શાખા. Counter, you can say counter. Cashier also will be cashier. Okay, manager will remains manager. Yes, for customer we still say ગ્રાહક. For customer we say ગ્રાહક. Okay, ગ્રાહક. For staff we say staff or કર્મચારી. For staff we say staff or કર્મચારી. Now here again you see, for staff we still say staff, but કર્મચારી also we are using. We simply ask કર્મચારી ક્યાં છે. Okay, for example we say where is staff. So we say કર્મચારી ક્યાં છે. Okay, for where is in Gujarati we use ક્યાં છે. Okay, and for staff it will be કર્મચારી. Staff it will be કર્મચારી. For receipt we say receipt again, but yes, we are still using પાવતી word. For receipt in Gujarati we say પાવતી. So if you want to say please bring receipt, in Gujarati you can say મહેરબાની કરીને. You know, for please in Gujarati we say મહેરબાની કરીને. પાવતી લેતા આવો. Okay, bring. Okay, for bring we Gujarati say લેતા આવો. Kindly bring પાવતી, I mean receipt. So for receipt in Gujarati we say પાવતી. Okay, for receipt in Gujarati we say Pavati. Slip again will be slip. Now you remember, for deposit word we say jama, so it will be jama slip. It will be jama slip. Jama. For withdrawal slip, it to meaning, I mean, in Gujarati, for withdrawal we say upadvu. For withdrawal in Gujarati we say upadvu. So that's why it will be upadvani slip. Upadvani slip. Okay, minimum balance will be balance only. Okay, we are still using minimum word as a minimum, maximum as a maximum, and balance will be balance. Or if you remember, just few minutes ago we learned the right word of balance is correct, silaka. Silaka. Okay, charges will be charges only. Okay, fine or penalty, there will be penalty, but yes, we use danda word, danda. Okay, dand. So like when we say you have to pay fine, you have to pay fine, in Gujarati we say tamare danda ભરવો પડશે. તમારે દંડ ભરવો પડશે. or you can say તમારે penalty ભરવી પડશે. તમારે penalty ભરવી પડશે. તમારે penalty ભરવી પડશે. Okay, mostly and honestly speaking, currently no one is using dand word, but for example some people are coming from village and they do not know about that particular word about penalty or something. That time you can say તમારે દંડ ભરવો પડશે. તમારે દંડ ભરવો પડશે. ભરવો પડશે. You know, to pay fine in Gujarati we say ભરવો પડશે. Okay, in terms of banking sector. Mobile banking will be mobile banking only, net banking same, UPI same, IFSC code same, nominee same. Okay, then close the account. Okay, for close in Gujarati we say bandh, and for account we say khatu. So close the account means bandh khatu. Okay, close means bandh. Okay, close means bandh, and for account we say khatu. That's it, it will be bandh khatu. Active account will be chalu khatu. Okay, chalu khatu. Okay, active account means chalu khatu in Gujarati. Okay, blocked card, you can simply say block thayelu card. Blocked card in Gujarati you can simply say block thayelu card, or you can say તમારું કાર્ડ બ્લોક થઈ ગયું છે. Lost card. Okay, for lost in Gujarati we say ખોવાયેલું. Okay, for lost in Gujarati we say ખોવાયેલું. 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 So for lost card in Gujarati you can say ખોવાયેલું card. New card in Gujarati you can say navu card. For new card in Gujarati you simply say navu card. Old card in Gujarati you can say junu card. New card navu card. Okay, navu. Old card you can say junu. Okay, for new navu, for old junu. Okay, and for card it remains card only. Application. Okay, you can simply say arji or application, but yes, still arji word is there in Gujarati. For application we still say arji. Arji. Okay, arji. This all words we will also see while we will have a second part of this, probably next week. Okay, same time, maybe on weekend. That time we'll see couple of words along with sentences. So don't worry about it, but try to understand about the words actually. Okay, we'll not uh, go with every words, but definitely we'll go those important phrases and sentences which we usually use while we are dealing with banking. Application, arji, approval, okay, manjuri or approval. See, for application, again simply you can say application, but as I said, when you need to use word for particular person in Gujarati, you can use arji. Okay, approval, manjuri. Okay, for approval you can say manjuri. Okay, or approval will also work. So for example, if you want to say we need to take manager approval, Gujarati you can say managerની મંજૂરી લેવી પડશે. Okay, we need to take manager's approval. In Gujarati we simply say મેનેજરની મંજૂરી લેવી પડશે. Okay, to take લેવી પડશે, to take લેવી પડશે. What? મંજૂરી. Okay, and whose? Manager ની. Okay, that's it. For this sentence in Gujarati we say મેનેજરની મંજૂરી લેવી પડશે. મેનેજરની મંજૂરી લેવી પડશે. Rejection, ના મંજૂરી. Okay, for approval we say મંજૂરી, and same way for rejection we say ના મંજૂરી. Okay, or simply rejection also will work. Okay, મંજૂરી for approval, manjuri, and for rejection we simply say na manjuri. Complain, yes, we say faryad in Gujarati. Okay, faryad. For complaint in Gujarati we say faryad. Okay, it's very simple word. Okay, for help we say madad. For help in Gujarati we say madad. Okay, problem will be problem only, because problem word is very common to use, so don't worry about it. But don't worry about it, but in Gujarati for problem the actual word is samasya. Okay, samasya. If I want to say I have a problem, or do you have any problem, so Gujarati you can say તમારે કોઈ સમસ્યા છે. Okay, do you have any problem? In Gujarati you simply say તમારે કોઈ સમસ્યા છે. Okay, do you, તમારે, okay, any, કોઈ. Okay, and to complete this sentence we use છે. તમારે કોઈ સમસ્યા છે, like that. Verification, you can simply say verification, but the real word is ચકાસણી. Okay, for verification in Gujarati we say ચકાસણી. Okay, for example, if you want to say I have to verify this, so in Gujarati you can say મારે આ ચકાસવું પડશે. Okay, and if you want to say I have to do verification on this, I have to do verification with this. So okay, let me just keep it for your understanding. I have to do verification with this. મારે આની ચકાસણી કરવી પડશે. Okay, if you have simply you have word in sentence verify, then you can say ચકાસવું પડશે. But if there is a long process and your sentence slightly different, something like this, that time you have to use મારે આની. આની means about this. ચકાસણી કરવી પડશે. ચકાસણી કરવી પડશે. And if you simply want to say I have to verify this very simply, then you can say મારે આ ચકાસવું. Okay, મારે આ ચકાસવું પડશે. મારે આ ચકાસવું પડશે. મારે આ means I have to. I have to. I have to. આ means this, and I have to means મારે. Okay. Confirm will remains confirm only. So mostly people knows about this word confirm. And cancel is very popular since long time. So again we are using cancel only. Confirm. Confirm કરવું. કરવું means that particular act need to be do. So for do in Gujarati we say કરવું. Same way cancel. So for example doing cancel we say cancel કરવું. Okay. Hope these all words are quite easy for you to understand, and I'm sure I have covered almost which are very useful. Still, if anyone is having doubt with any words, or they feel they want to understand any particular word related to this sector, kindly drop me in comment box. I will help you out. So learn all these words within this week, and next week we'll have couple of phases and sentences as well. So this video is specially made because of particular request. So this is how about our today's session. One more thing I would like to tell you is, see, as I am preparing videos which going on my current flow, as you know we are having conjunction and all those words. So daily I am coming with different ideas in terms of my session, and this we have keep in between due to one request from our subscriber. That's how we bring this session related to banking. Now to do practice with these words, what you can simply do is, for example you go to ChatGPT. Okay, now for example you can simply take any words, okay, which you want to learn, and you can simply ask, can you give me an sentence on complaint, which meaning faryad in Gujarati, along with Gujarati pronunciation. And enter. Okay, this is very simple prompt. You can just read it out how I have typed here, and you can use. So you see, you have the word for practice. Very simple, but it's easy for you to understand. I want to file a complaint about my ATM card. So for example, this is from customer side. Here you can also specify that this sentence is you want from customer side or from bank employee side. For example, right now I am typing. Let me accept this first. I am saying this is good. Give me one more which will be banking employee side. Okay. For example, the sentence which mostly used by banking employee. This is how I am telling to ChatGPT. Now let's see. I guess they're giving me words. Okay, let me. Yeah, here you see. I got the sentence along with all those words, but maybe it wrongly understand. Let me give it again. For example, we want to say about complaint, right? Okay, give me Okay, let me accept this. Give me sentence. Give me sentence of complaint word. Okay, along with Gujarati pronunciation. Okay, from banking employee side, only one sentence to understand. Okay, don't worry, whenever you fail giving any prompt to chat gpt, you can regenerate, giving another prompt, and it will give you again a new result. So see, we got the result. We will resolve your complaint asap. So this is how sometimes maybe due to prompt, or our history of threads. For example, I already generated couple of words earlier, that's why they give me, I mean chat gpt give me uh, the result like that. But here you can see, as I have changed my prompt, it gives me a right result. So this is how you can choose any word you want, okay, from this, or maybe a different word you have in your mind. Give that word along with the real, or if you don't have the idea about real word in Gujarati, you can simply ask, I need pronunciation or the real word of this Gujarati along with sentences, and also give me pronunciation how we can speak. So this, see, here it gives me Gujarati pronunciation as well. So this is how you can create your sentences and can do practice. And this is how the right way to learn Gujarati. And what you can do next step is, for example, this sentence which you have typed and still you do not have idea about it, how to pronounce, or maybe you still have doubt, then you can submit to me, okay, in comment box. So I will guide you, and maybe I can prepare a video for, I mean I can bring that particular, your question in my video as well. So this is just an idea, my guidance to you people, how you can learn Gujarati in simply way. Still we have long journey, so I would like you guys to request about subscribing my YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friends and family so they can also learn Gujarati. We'll meet again with a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and Jai Shri Krishna.